Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about WebinarFuel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload your video into WebinarFuel? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to upload your video into WebinarFuel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing evergreen webinars, you're going to need to upload your video into WebinarFuel during either the setup process, or if you simply want to swap out the video, we'll go over both options now. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my WebinarFuel, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to upload your video into WebinarFuel, here on the top, you're going to click on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different webinars you're running. So like I said, there's two different ways you can do it. One is when you're setting up a new webinar, and two is if you want to swap out a video. Let's go ahead and go over the swap first. So first right here, we'll click on a webinar. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left in gray. Click on videos. Here you're going to see the video that you're currently running. So you want to click here, add new video, and here you can go ahead and upload a new video. Once you've uploaded a new video, you can go ahead and remove this video by clicking on these three dots and click on remove. So that's if you have an existing webinar. Now let me close this out. If you want to upload a video into a new webinar, you're going to click on this plus button right here in orange. Here you can go ahead and set up the webinar title, webinar description, language, hour format, and then time zone, and then click on create. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you here where you can go ahead and upload a video into WebinarFuel. So you just click right here and then choose from your desktop by clicking on change file. Now, if you don't want to upload a video, you can also use Vimeo. So you can click right here and you can just add a video link right here from your Vimeo. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to upload a video into your WebinarFuel webinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.